Hello everyone, welcome back to Paper Crafting with Paul. This is just a little walkthrough of a practice run of a G45 brand ambassador project I was working on. I had some sheets of Life's a Bowl of Cherries left over from doing one of my up-leveling videos, which I wanted to use, but I wanted to do a little test run to make sure the idea I had in my head would actually work. When I first became brand ambassador, one of the first things I wanted to add to my order was the folder and sentiment dies. And if you've seen the unboxing video, you'll know I was quite excited to get this. It's been on my wish list for so long because I'd seen some previous brand ambassadors make some little folios and folders to go into their albums and things, and making cards and things using this. But I wanted to see if I could come up with some of my own ideas. So this is the first idea I've come up with using these dies. So we start with the cover. Now, it was another first for me. This was using the G45 black chipboard. So usually I cover it with tape and things and cardstock. But because this was black with a black core, I was able to just take my crocodile and cut the corner, and that's all the tape I've used is down here and down here. And so this was a really quick cover. It literally took me minutes, a couple of minutes to make. It was cut the spine, cut the cover, and crop the corner, tape and tape. So I think it could be one of my new go-tos for when I want a quick project. So the cover was made with one of the journal cards and some fussy cutting. And of course, a very Alice in Wonderland sentiment, always time for tea. Oh, have I got the Mad Hatter? I can't remember. Let's have a... does he appear? We'll have to have a look. Okay, so why is it the folder album? Well, I used this die to make my pages. So when you open it up, each of these pages has been made using the die cuts from this die. I've added a couple of extra pockets to the inside. Oh, is that the Mad Hatter? No. That's funny. I thought you would... Oh, I think he's there. He's had his head chopped off. Oh, there he is, right in the middle of that notch. So I've used some of the little images propped up onto some of the leftover black chipboard I had. It's brilliant stuff. You can cut it with your scissors. So it's great for mounting up when you just want a little level. But the idea for this album, as I said, came from the folder die. So this is one signature. So one set of the pages, but there's 3 pages to each signature. So on each of my flexi hinges, I have 3 pages. And I'll show you in a tutorial then how I made my mat and layer. And let's have a look. I've got a 3x4 photo. So you can put your 3x4 photos in here. You can place some 3x4 photos here. So this is slightly bigger because it's the photo mat. Then you open it up, and then in the middle, you've got a pocket where you can slide more things in. There's still spaces here for more photos. So I've left it plain. I've used the patterns and solids just because I thought I really liked how they worked with these pages. So it's kept very plain because then you can just decorate them up and add photos without worrying about hiding things. But even the pattern and solids, not very plain. They're still quite decorative. Just love the images in this one. And to divide each of the signatures, I've used this pinky one to divide, and then used a colour inside. So this time, so we've gone from the green to the blue, back to a different one of the greens, and a different blue as well. And then finally, just another little pocket page at the end, just to put some larger things. So that was my practice run. I gotta say, I was quite pleased with how it turned out. And I don't think I actually changed anything before making my actual version and the tutorial. I think it just turned out and worked exactly as I had in my head. So a lovely one. So 4 spines with a double signature, so 6 sides to each of the pages. So you've got plenty of spaces for embellishing, decorating, adding photos. So I'm really looking forward to seeing if anyone has a go with this and what they will do with it and how theirs will turn out. So thank you for watching. And if you like this little mini, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot. And please write some comments in the description below. I do like reading them and I do try to answer them as well. So thank you for watching and I will see you all again very soon. Yeah.